you taking? Are you actually the? Are you taking the? I said I was proud of you. I said I was proud of you. You little. You absolute. You little. I'm glad you find this funny.
There's something about the Scottish Highlands that makes you feel incredibly small. Maybe it's the endless mountains, the silence, the way the weather changes every 5 minutes like the landscape has a mind of its own. For the last few days, Laura and I had been struggling to find our rhythm travelling together. We were both so used to doing things alone that even the smallest decision seemed to turn into a quiet battle that neither of us wanted to lose. Where to stop, when to leave, how to travel, how to camp. Neither of us really wanted to compromise. But out here, surrounded by the mountains and miles of empty road, there wasn't really any space left to avoid it anymore. Because this trip was slowly teaching us that adventure isn't always about the places you go. Sometimes it's about learning how to travel alongside someone without losing yourself in the process.
Hi. How did you sleep? Oh, I just feel like I've slept on a prison mattress. I actually feel like camping was more comfortable than these mattresses.
I think I got a better night's sleep camping as well.
Yeah.
Anyway, it is 7 AM. We are 2 hours early from our sleep. Alarm schedule, waking up, so I guess maybe we'll get an early dinner on the road.
We can have in 2 hours.
Oh, 2 hours.
I think it actually said it opens from 7. It might be open now. It said
Really?
What did it say, 9 to 11 or 7 to 11?
The plan for today was simple. Ride north through the Highlands and find somewhere remote to wild camp near Ullapool. At least that was the plan.
Tell you what, I'll have a croissant. Since I'm feeling fancy, since we stayed indoors last night.
So, Saffy's been leading us every single day. I have told her that I will be leading today, and I will not be telling her where we are going until we get to the B&B. I'm going to tell her that I've found a nice wild camping location, and that's where we're going, but secretly we will be going to the B&B that I have booked. So let's see what happens when she finds out today that we will be doing another night not wild camping.
Away we go. Right, I just want to get my... It's left here, right?
Yeah,
Surely.
yeah.
I just want to get my sat nav up and just triple check. By the way, I'm going to lead us today.
Okay.
I found some nice stops on the way, and I found a wild camping spot.
Nice.
Are we sure it's that way? Should we double check on my phone?
I can assure you it's this way because we came down the hill last night.
Oh yeah, I forgot about that. Are you excited for what I've got planned?
I am really excited. Laura in charge.
Laura in charge. That's when it's fun. Da, 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 da.
My favourite part of Scotland, this little coastal road. You just have great views to the left of you.
Thank you, Saffy, for pulling me out of my depression pit of being made redundant and losing my motorcycle last year. All right, now you can scream.
I am happy to oblige, my dear friend.
Up until this point, the ride had felt pretty relaxed. But we still hadn't managed to find chain lube for Laura's bike after nearly 2 days of searching. And suddenly the whole mood shifted a little bit. Nothing dramatic, just that slightly worrying feeling that something isn't quite right and it needed to be fixed.
I think my chain needs lubing. It's completely rusted.
I'm going to pull into this passing pace down here. And just let's go.
Oh, look at that rusty old chain. I thought I heard some clanking. Oh, did we not bring it?
We definitely need to get some chain lube at a petrol station somewhere.
I know, my chain feels so crusty. I can't believe I forgot to bring that. I usually always take a tin of chain lube. Because they take up so much space, don't they? Saffy just went in to see if there's any chain lube. I've got loads at home as well.
We need to find a, maybe it's worth stopping at the next petrol station again. I might see if the petrol station's got lube when we arrive. Is there a petrol station here? Yeah, I think maybe we just keep pulling in, and even if you don't get off your bike, I'm just gonna try and find some chain lube.
And Saffy doesn't know that tonight we will be staying at B&B, so we will not be wild camping tonight, which is what Saffy thinks we'll be doing. It could go one of two ways. She could be really, really happy, or she could be very angry and slightly disappointed in me. But either way, we'll both have a warm bed tonight, and we'll both have dry clothes when we wake up tomorrow. So I would say that that's a win for both of us. Saffy managed to find chain lube. Woohoo! Oh, fair enough.
Yeah, chain lube cost me 16 quid.
Ah!
But I just thought it's better than a leg, so...
Yeah, that's true. Alright. Yeah, I'm glad we got some chain lube as well. It made such a difference. I can't hear it scratching anymore. So, Saffy, I hope you enjoyed the drone shots. I have something for you today. It is time for Forest Friends, the positivity of the forest. What will our positive words say today? Let's find out. All right, Saffy?
How will saffron make them negative?
Yes. Nurture yourself. It's okay to take some time out.
I feel like this applies to both of us, to be honest. We've both kind of had a rough year.
I think this card is very good for today.
Yes. Okay, your turn.
So, oh, I got a little white hair.
Delicious. Couldn't eat a whole one.
Huh?
Couldn't eat a whole one.
Forest friends! Are you attuned to your environment? How can you be more aware of the world around you?
Are you in tune to your environment, Laura? Have you been in tune to the rain?
No. Are you attuned to your environment? How can you be more aware of the world around you? I guess I could appreciate any weather that I have. Because
Yes.
I'm on a fantastic trip in Scotland. And I should...
Unfortunately for Laura, it was beginning to hit home that the problem with telling a lie is that it never really ends with the first decision. Once you tell it, you have to carry it, you have to keep track of it, and you have to build around it. And the longer that the day went on, the more obvious it became just how exhausting that must have really been.
Oh, that other campsite, it's like an hour from Applecross, so it's like the day would be too short to stop there. But it's such a shame. It'll be fine. I think we're going to be fine wild camping anyway.
What did you say? We're not paying for campsites.
This is definitely camping weather now, girl.
Alright, wild camping is going to be fun.
Yeah, that was a campsite. Because you're right underneath the mountains. It looks amazing waking up there.
You want a wild camp until we get to Thurso?
Quite interested to see your wild camping spot this evening.
You're quite interested to see my wild camping spot this evening?
I am.
Why?
Because I want to see what you picked.
What do you think I've picked?
So I know of like 2 to 3 different like wild camping spots in Ullapool that are all really good. Because I think it's clearly something you found online. So...
It's clearly something that I found online because quite obviously I've had to Google it. Yeah, that's true. I have had to Google it.
I know there's one by the beach, a really good wild camping spot by the beach.
There's a wild camping spot by the beach. Do you think that I would pick a beach after the trauma that we've been through?
I feel like it's an easy spot, there's good parking, and I think there's another one further down from the coast as well.
There's one up in the mountains.
I think literally this is going to be like the best night to camp out of the whole week, because it's literally supposed to be sunny all night. Tomorrow night it's going to be really good. This looks like a good camping spot.
Yeah, we're not camping there. I've got somewhere in mind for us to camp tonight and you're going to love it. Are you excited for it?
I am. I'm really proud of you.
You're proud of me?
I am.
Wait, you're proud of me?
Yeah, about embracing, you know, like we spoke with the cards today, you know, you're embracing the good times and the bad. You know, we've got a wild camp and you're taking control of the situation, and I'm really proud of that.
You're really proud of that? Oh, thank you. I can't wait for you to see it.
Why do I feel like it's something bad?
It's what?
The moment you say I can't wait for you to see it, that means something dodgy is going on. Laura. Laura.
What?
Laura! Laura. You didn't.
What?
Are
Come
you
on in, the parking's free.
taking Are you actually the Are you taking the I said I was proud of you. I said I was proud of you. You little You absolute You little
Come in.
I'm glad you
Come
find
in.
this funny. You are terrible, Laura. Absolutely terrible. This is not wild camping. This is not wild camping. You absolute mischievous little. You promised me we were going to wild camp tonight. I'm not happy. Don't you encourage her. Don't you encourage her.
Take it.
You are in my bad books. You've lost your leading privileges.
You can hear us
I'm going to lock you in the bathroom.
today, and I'm going to take us to a really good camping spot. I think this is pretty good. Do you work here? We got a room for two. It's my treat to you for loaning me this bike. You're welcome.
You told me.
Hey Saffy. Hey Saffy. I think you need one of these. I think Saffy is very upset still, even though she's very comfortable on a bed. Look at this. But I think she could probably do with some positivity. There you go. Tell me what it says today.
It's a unicorn vomiting into a river.
That would have been me tonight camping. That's so funny. What does it say? What does it say?
You are unique and magical. Ensure your creativity shines forth, Laura.
Thank you. I am unique and magical.
I think this is aimed at me.
No.
Although you are definitely the vomit coming out of my mouth.
I think she's being unfair. She's actually very happy.
Fake news. Fake news.
Hello.
Disappointed in you, Laura. I'm disappointed in the situation. And more importantly, I'm disappointed in myself for trusting her. She's lost her leading privileges. She's lost any freedom she thought she had. Any organisational input. Do you feel proud of yourself? I don't feel proud of yourself.
I'm very proud. I've got such a warm room back there.
Tonight is going to be the hottest night of the week, which would have made it the best night of the week for camping.
Nice night for camping it is.
Yep. Do you know what we've got tomorrow? Thunderstorms. And if we'd wild camp tonight, I would have let you have a hotel tomorrow, but no. There are no more hotels until we get to Orkney.
I've taken liberties on this trip.
You have taken the mick.
Look what you've become. You've become a hotel bum. She's
I'm being
loving-
held under duress.
She loves the hotel life.
Oh, look at this amazing view. Oh, lights are on. Oh, there's a live webcam. Where is it? Oh, load up the website. Load up the website.
There must be a delay. Oh, there she is! Should we do a fake proposal?
My lord, I'm so happy. Do I accept? Oh, I do.
We're in Ullapool and we're staying in a hotel. Look how happy she is.
I'm happy because I'm here with you, not because we're staying in a hotel. Don't get too cocky. But I am having fun. How's your ration eating going?
It's going really good. Yeah, tonight I'm having a ration of
salmon, mashed potato, and seasonal veg. Yeah.
Yeah.
What are you having? You're having a ration of cheeseburger.
And a ration of wine.
A ration of wine.
You're such a bad influence. Clearly my plan has gone completely out the window. I can't take her anywhere. Secretly they're not going to complain. So who went for the better meal? Did Laura with her fish? Or Saffron with the burger and meat?
Also looked really good.
Get off! What do you think this is? Saffron doesn't share food.
When I first found out that Laura had lied to me about wild camping, I was furious. But as the evening went on, I started to realise something. We were two women who had spent the last 3 years travelling completely alone. And somewhere along the way, solo travel had made both of us incredibly resilient, stubborn, and strong-willed. We'd become people who could make snap decisions instantly and handle whatever the day threw at us. Sure, Laura lied to me to get what she wanted, but the reason she hid it from me all day was that we had spent the entire trip locked in this quiet battle over whose way was the right way to travel. And that's when it hit me. The skills that keep you safe and successful when you travel alone, they don't always help when you suddenly have to work as a team. And for the first time on the trip, I felt a little guilty too. Maybe the answer wasn't about trying to create the perfect outcome every single day. Maybe it was about learning how to communicate better, learning how to be more approachable, learning how to meet each other halfway. For 5 days we'd been pulling against each other, both trying to do things our own way. But if this trip was going to work, we needed a completely new mindset. The ability to let go of old habits and finally start working together.